ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Icfai Group of Institution Bangalore kubladon kumasan postami bat kabapau baha khot admission na kabunta ka nursing and paramedical course yaki jingte bakhambanya kol hakini ki number harum.
Kumbahan terus pangut ki Samla Pule graduate but postgraduate kila syak pun ko buram ha ka 5th Convocation jong ka Icfai University Meghalaya kapala long State Convention Center Shillong ha ka khatsau trik ujleo arja apsau ha ka bala sakhi lang do menteri rangba ka jala o konrat ke sangma o menteri ka tanak pule puthi rakam e sangma bat ki kenram kelendan Hakani kaski Menteri Rangba bagi kenram kelendan kila sami kusnam General Proficiency Award Undergraduate but Postgraduate Merit Certificate bagi kusnam cek Samla Pule Kiba yo ya kata kamaksiar bat takamarupa hagi jing pule ki jongki
BA Political Science Sasmin M. Mara. MA Education Program, Tulsi Thapa. of Science and Technology, Undergraduate Program, BCA, Okipong Longmere.
And it's my best wishes to all of you that as a graduate from today, you will be testimony of the institutions, of the university, of the state, and of the country as you move on in your different assignment and responsibility in the days to come. And I believe that your contribution as a graduate also certain responsibility from tomorrow. In all respect, this matter what position you will be holding will certainly make the community, the state, region, and a global difference.
Congratulate all of you on this very, very important milestone in your life. And I'm sure that there must be a sense of pride and happiness in all of you, and especially in your family. I'm sure there's also a sense of anxiety and kind of thought that what next. And hence this is a very important crossroads in your life. But I'm sure that in the last many years, life itself as well as Icfai and the faculty has prepared you well for this particular moment. And each and every one in this room has gone through this particular phase. And I can tell you from my personal experience that this will be one of the most defining moments in your life. So the question will be, how will you and how will Meghalaya State and the youth of this nation take advantage of this particular economic growth that the nation will go through? We crossed almost 7.5%, almost 78%, 0.8% GDP in the last many years. In fact, in the last financial year. And we expect that growth rate to continue. We saw a similar growth rate for the state of Meghalaya also, where we crossed almost $6.6 billion in terms of our economy, where we started off at about $4.8 billion in the last 5 years. Today, in a matter of 5 years, we have crossed $6.6 billion. We have tripled the economy of the state, where we used to be at about 10,000 crores of economy, or rather GDP, or the expenditure of the government, The budget and expenditure of the government, we used to be at 8, 9, 10,000 crores. Today we are touching almost 30,000 crores in terms of the expenditure of what the government does. So, the ecosystem and the opportunities exist. And hence this may be one of the most exciting times for the country and for the state and for the young generation. The question is, are we prepared to take the opportunity? The question is, are we ready to take this opportunity? And the answer is, it all depends on how we work together. And hence what we are seeing today and what Icfai is doing is it is actually shaping the youngsters. All the other large institutes are shaping the youngsters in a manner in which you will be able to take the opportunities that are there and be able to really work and be part of this economic growth and the success that we are seeing. Where India is the 5th largest economy in the world, we will become the 3rd largest economy in the coming years, and really that's the opportunity that we would like to grab. But we have almost an investment plan of about 5,000 crores to be spent in the state of Meghalaya in tourism in the next 4 years' time. This 5,000 crores of investment which we make is an infrastructure. I'm talking only about tourism. I'm not talking about roads and other infrastructures. Only in tourism sector alone, Meghalaya will be spending 5,000 crores. And we expect to create almost close to 50,000 jobs in the private sector through the investments that we make in the different tourism sector. How are you going to take advantage of that and be part of this entire economic plan that we have? We'll be investing almost more than 1,500 crores just in the IT sector. I'm talking about just the basic investment. I'm not talking about the larger investments which we expect. And IT sector we are expecting will give us a job opportunity of more than 20,000 employees or employment opportunities in the coming years. And this is going to be because we're going to make Shillong into an IT hub, and the process is on, where we are putting up a second IT park here in Shillong. The first IT park already employs close to 1,500 people. The second one is going to be even bigger. And we have a large area for more IT parks to come. We are in discussion with submarine cables and the larger bandwidth providers to bring in the submarine cables all the way to Shillong. We are in the process of putting up a tier 3 data center in Shillong, which will be state of the art. We are planning to have optical fiber networks, which the work is on, where we will be reaching every block, every nook and corner of the state, where optical fiber will be available to the grassroots. And all of these activities are taking place as we speak, and investments are being made. Question is, as I said, how will you as youngsters become part of this? Tomorrow when I have optical fibers that are going to land up in every school, every college, every corner of the state, will education scenario change? Will children now go into the system where they're going to use smart devices to then get content at the fingertips?